Hello guys, welcome to my channel Unboxing Happiness. So today we are going to unbox Ant Audio W59 earphones. So the specialty about this earphones is that it comes with dual dynamic driver earphone. I bought this earphones from Amazon with a price of $750. So here they provide various accessories, like they provide three earphone caps, a pouch and fixing clip, and that's all. It comes with a mic, dual stereo system and all. So without wasting and waiting, let's unbox Happiness. For unboxing, the ingredients that we are going to use is a knife, a sellotape, a die rule for no reason at all, and our main ingredient, that is earphones. Without it we cannot unbox it. So let's start. So the packing looks quite professional. As you can see, it comes very professional. They have provided various icons, images to get the where it stays. So let's start. As you can see, the knife was quite helpful. Let's start. So what we have here is a box. Oh my god, a box. As you can see, Ant Audio is written with its logo, and it might contain earphones. Let's start. Right packing, Okay, so what do we have here? Ant Audio, a message from the company, no need at all. Some stickers to stuck up in your asses and your friend's asses or my ass, no reason at all. A warranty card. That's good, and it provides a warranty of 1 year. As you can see, it comes with a warranty of 1 year. Good. And here we have the boxing. As you can see, the boxing, quite a cushion provided there, and very nice. So let's unbox it. Cushion, oh my god, nice cushion. And here are the earphones. Cable is fiber cable, and provided 3 caps and a pouch and 1 clip holder. Another cushion here, so it will come quite handy. And let's unbox it. Okay, so here we have our earphones. Here are our dual dynamic drivers, which provides extra bass. Here you have a mic, and quite a active job there. Mic, which provides volume up, volume down, and hold option. Good. And so the earphones comes with a 3.5 mm jack, and the earphones are in ear capsule earphones. So I've tested the earphones and the bass is quite pretty strong, and there's no noise leakage and all, so quite a good deal. So guys, you might be thinking that what a sellotape is doing at an unboxing of earphones.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again.
So guys, this was the unboxing of Ant Audio W59 earphones. I bought it at $750 and it was quite a pretty good deal. So I hope this video might be very helpful to you guys and you might buy these earphones. So like to this video, subscribe to my channel Unboxing Happiness, and don't forget to subscribe.